The best way to communicate unexpected costs during a job is to stop work immediately once you find the issue, explain it clearly to the homeowner in plain language, show them proof like a photo or the damaged part, and give them a written estimate before you continue working. Think about it like this. When you are fixing something and you find a hidden problem, like rotten wood behind a wall or old wiring that is not up to code, you cannot just keep going without telling the customer because that is their money and their home. A smart trick a lot of professionals use is called a change order, which is just a short written note that says what the new problem is, how much it will cost, and gets signed by both people before any extra work starts. This protects you because you have proof they agreed, and it protects the homeowner because they know exactly what they are paying for. Always take a picture of the problem the moment you find it because seeing it is way more convincing than just hearing about it. Many contractors also build a contingency number right into the very first estimate, usually around 10% of the total price, so surprises feel less shocking later. Speed matters too. The longer you wait to mention extra costs, the more it feels like you are hiding something, even when you are not. One of the biggest mistakes is waiting until the whole job is finished to bring up extra charges, so the fix is simple: speak up the moment you notice something is wrong. Another common issue is only talking about new costs over a phone call with nothing written down, which leads to arguments later, so always follow up with a text message or an email so there is a paper trail. A lot of workers also assume the customer understands why something costs more, but most homeowners have never seen behind their own walls, so take a few seconds to explain in simple words why the extra work is truly necessary. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app Job at Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.